Oh my God. Dude.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right onto I-44. Signs for Lawton, Amarillo.
Is that really good road that you can come down?
Yeah, there's a pretty high fence. Keep those elk in and keep them from running, crossing herds. There's a gate right there.
Yep.
There's a Shawn Meister right there.
Right. The last piece. Quote.
So what's your goal, Shawn?
Kill.
Kill.
A big elk.
Big old boy.
That's the goal.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go for a 8x8, you think?
We'll see. I'll take a 6x6.
6x6.
Maybe even a good 5x5.
5x? Yeah.
We'll start off being a little selective, but as the week goes, if we haven't killed out, we'll make a decision. Revamp our.
We won't settle till the last day.
I'll cook it, you know, think it's done. Not done enough, Gavin?
No, good.
Huh?
It's perfect.
You said medium rare.
Mm-hmm.
Is it rare?
Mine's pretty rare.
Dad and them treated coos one night. And it was a young coon, and Dad's like, well, let's just let the dogs get a little bit of hair between their teeth. And we kicked that coon out of that tree, and that dog got on that coon, and then Dad picked that coon up and tied it to the mule. And we're like going through there, and all of a sudden his mule's like, bucking and kicking. Dad goes that way, the mule goes that way. That damn coon come back to life and latched onto that mule. It was biting it. Oh, shit. We looked all night long for that damn mule. We finally found it.
I remember that night we went. Your dad handed you a hatchet and said, climb that tree and start chopping.
Yeah.
And that didn't come out, run down over your shoulder.
Yeah.
The squealing was coming. I didn't think Shawn could do that.
That happened to me several times. See if we can finalize our game plan.
Yeah, it's hunt day.
Hunt day. It is
Day
here.
one.
Day one.
We made it.
We did.
And we're off. Look at that. There's like 4 people in front of us.
3.
3. So yeah, we'll get there because I guarantee one of these are going to break off.
Oh yeah.
Here, I'll get the papers. I'll put that stuff on the hood. You focus on driving. All right, just got done with orientation.
Yes.
Shawn and I are getting out of here.
Miguel even mentioned it in the orientation, so
Yeah, I can't believe that guy basically was like, everybody's going out here kind of moment. And I was like, oh man.
Which could be good. It might deter a few people.
Yeah, it could have. Yeah, like you said, it could have been like.
And we don't know until we get there, but
Yeah, it could have been like reverse psychology they tried to pull or something.
I don't know about that.
Yeah,
it's just the fact that for a couple of weeks that was kind of our game plan. So
right.
It looks like we're on track to be with our game plan, so that's a good thing.
We were far enough back in the auditorium to get out.
Yeah.
And that one truck that went the opposite way, perfect.
Yeah.
We made it out. We're walking. We're all set up. How you feeling, Shawn?
Feeling good. Really good.
Real good. We beat everybody.
This is a little slower than mine.
That's all right.
Hey, you're going the wrong way.
No. Look at the bison running out there. Look at them. They're right along with us. three big bulls and a couple cows. Yeah, Spike following some cows.
Maybe in the morning, check it out, set up a little bit, and see what happens, and then make a move.
Yeah.
We need to, because I think there's going to be some traveling here.
Yeah, look right in there. Broken off antler, but once. Yeah, he was about 404, 5x5.
We're waiting on the slow folks back there.
Yeah, they're pretty far back there now.
We want to make sure that we wait on them. We're not sure they can get out here, they may get lost.
Can't be having a family get lost out here.
Right, leave no man behind.
Yeah. He just took the biggest shot, man.
What a day.
What a day.
Yeah.
That was at least a 6 or 7x7, dude.
Today was the day that my dad died. He never got the cuff here.
Oh, there's a bull that walked out from behind.
You think he's down?
Huh.
I think he did. He ran, he fell over, didn't he?
Yeah, that's a small one run.
There's more that came out after.
Yeah. I think he fell down. You want to go walk up there?
Just give him a minute.
Yeah. Let him soak. He saw his back and just do that, didn't you? I saw his back and fall, man.
And I saw him fall in the scope.
380.
Did the second shot just sound like it hit? I heard something solid.
It looked like he hit both shots. It looked like he hit low on when he was facing that way. It looked like he hit just right below, like low lung. And then the second shot, it looked like he fucking nailed him again, right almost in the same spot. Dude, are you aiming center mass on that?
I don't even remember.
Yeah, dude.
I just remember you said that it was 3 watt.
It was like 380.
And I said it's between the bottom of my first set of crosshairs. And so
yeah. I want to get at least close. At least
you said the second, but so I went right between the bottom of my second set of crosshairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what happens, man. You practice and you get the coach band from coach here, man. He's a smart man.
Look, I don't know about that.
Yeah, that's smart. That's how you do it on the fly without technology, man. Oh, that was a magnum bull. I wish I could record, but it was in the moment. You saw it, you dug down.
You think he's down?
I think he's down. If you want, we can coast through here, get a wide angle by the tree line. You know what I mean? Oh, Shawn. Smells like blood in here. Looks like blood in here. We went back this way. That's him. Oh my God, Shawn, look at that. Oh my, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, dude. How are we gonna get that out of here? Holy shit. Oh my God. Dude, look at how big that rack is. Look how massive that thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look how massive that is, dude. Get up and love on it. Look at that heart shot right here.
Yeah, look at the second shot.
Yeah, right there.
No,
No?
that's the one that did it, huh?
That's the one that did it. Dude.
Can you help me get this out?
Yeah, God damn, yeah.
What are we going to do with this thing?
Oh my God. He's still 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
5 by
3, 4, 5. 5 by 5.
Dude, that's a massive 5x5 though. Look at monster.
Look at the width of that.
Dude. Here, you wanna hold that?
Yeah.
Look at that beast. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude.
Broke off here. That gives you something.
That's beautiful. Look how
He got some mileage.
look at that. Look how wide those fucking bases are. That's an old man.
That is an old man. Oh. He must on his way. Let me get a picture this way.
Yeah. Hey, get that one leg. Oh. Look at that.
Should have pulled him up.
Here, I'll do this. Look.
There you go, like that.
Oh my gosh. Look at
Get him.
yeah, no, that first heart shot, man, that was
Just a little low.
it's perfect though.
I shot this between. I should have went up to 400 the next line, but hey, it don't matter. We got
Dude,
it.
that was perfect. Look how big he is, man. That's
That is huge.
and look, you know what time it is?
What time?
First it was like 9/11. You dropped that.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Look at that. He's beautiful.
He's big.
He is big.
He's waving.
Yeah.
God. Oh.
We can put all right, good to go.
Yeah.
Heading out, huh?
All right, dude.
Woo! All that meat. That's what she said.
Yeah. Holy moly.
What to expect, yeah? They didn't tell us this.
Back to the States, motivation for batting the bullets. Cherish those kids and raise them up the same. Give back to the world to make it a better place. Make the time for those babies so there is no ifs, ands, or maybes. Never miss the ball games or daddy-daughter dances. Those kids will never let